Worst thing about these videos is always the start, so I'm just going to get it done. We're in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We've been here for a week already and we've come here for a month. That building behind is where we're staying. That one, it's an Airbnb and I'll show you that in a bit. We're on our way to Australia to do our working holiday visa for a year or two, so thought we'd stop off somewhere nice and warm. So Malaysia was perfect, great food, great weather, and I know, it's a pretty good spot to go and travel other places as well, cheap flights. So yeah, thought I'd make some vlogs of our life here and show people what it's like. I'm just out and about at the moment, go and get some water, and then I'll show you our apartment and all the facilities as well. Here's my little water machine, it's just next to some Turkish looking restaurant, I don't know, kebabs or something, and then there's some Malaysian street food there. So yeah, this nice and cheap water, you just put your money in. It's like 40 ringgit to fill up this whole bottle, which is about 7p, mega cheap. Looks dirty, but we've had water from it before, it's fine. Press the button, here we are. Great that they have these machines because it makes it very cheap, and also you don't just keep using loads of plastic. Got me water. I'll give you a tour of the apartment now. This is the building. It's massive, 40 floors. So this is our home for the month. Got our kitchen area over here, very basic and small, but all we need. Hob, we've got some coffee and also got some tea because we're English and obviously can't live without any tea. We found these in the shop the other day and Lauren loves them, so we had to buy them. This is our fridge full of all the essentials. We bought a load of English food with us and lots of Christmas stuff, matchmakers, some chocolate. This is from Aldi for 30p and it is so good. Some Haribo trees because Christmas, Percy pigs, a whole tub of Quality Street, some nice Christmas tubes of chocolate, eggs, peanut butter, some ketchup, the essentials, booze. And then this is star fruit. It's like an Asian fruit. I'll show you what it looks like. Just cut it like that. See why it's called a star fruit, right? And then chop it into little slices. And pretty sour. Tastes kind of like a Granny Smith apple, but really nice and meant to be very good for you as well. Check out our dining table. We left it laid out like this because it looks nice. Some nice lampshades and a shelf as well. Over here we've got our desk where we can do a bit of work. And then here is our lounge. Nice TV. We've got our Christmas cards up. Look at this funky wallpaper. It's like, I don't know, 5 different wallpapers in one. And here's our view. See the pool down there. That over there, that building is a massive Tesco, which is so good. And then look out here. See that mosque? This one wakes us up at 6 AM every day. Very loud. Here is a spare bedroom. I'm just using it as a dressing room for now. A little bit messy. And here's Lauren's spare room, but it's a real mess. Not going in there. One bathroom. And then we've got an ensuite bathroom as well. It's just the same. Here's the bedroom. Another TV. Very comfy bed. And that mad wallpaper again. Same view. Right, that's the apartment tour done. I'll go and show you the roof now. Check this out for a view. Amazing. We've got KL Tower there, Petronas Towers there. Don't know what that big one is. It's pretty new, I think. And then just in front of us, we've got this lovely golf course, which I would love to play. Here's our pool. This is one of 2 pools, knee deep. Perfect for just coming and cooling off though. There's never anybody up here. Very chilled. I think this is where we're going to come on New Year's Eve to watch the fireworks over the Petronas Towers. Bring up a few beers and some snacks and just chill out. Over here we got some little dining areas and like a kitchen area over there if you want to prepare some food. There's another one over here as well. And then out the back there's another view of the hills. Big lake over there and a polo field. Very fancy. Anyway, I'll show you pool number 2 now and the gym. So over here we've got some kind of reflexology area which you walk along on barefooted. It's a load of stones. To be honest, it bloody kills. And then over here is our gym. Yoga area here with the nice view. Got our weights area, some bikes, some treadmills, and then around here we've got some free weights. Everything you need for a good workout. Nice chill out areas for shade bathers like me. And this is the pool. Pretty big. Here's Lauren. Always sunbathing. That's it, tour over. For this Airbnb we're paying just over £500 for 30 days. That includes everything, the pool, the gym, cleaning, Wi-Fi. It's in a pretty good spot too. It's out of the city, so it's nice and quiet, nice and local. And it's really easy to get into the city as well if you want to. It's about £3 in a taxi. So, perfect spot, very happy with it. I'm going to get in that pool now, so I'll see you in the next vlog.